We live in a world obsessed with data. Companies collect it, sell it, and sometimes even lose it, all without your permission. It's the digital equivalent of someone rummaging through your trash, except this trash can contain your entire life story. One of the biggest offenders in this data-grabbing game, data brokers. These shadowy figures collect and sell your personal information, often without you even knowing. They know where you live, what you buy, and even what you search for online. Creepy, right? And here's the kicker. This information isn't just sitting in some dusty file cabinet. It's out there, available for anyone to find. And that's where Clean Data comes in. We're here to help you take back control of your data and protect your privacy. Think of us as your digital bodyguards, fighting to keep your personal information safe from prying eyes. Because in the age of big data, privacy shouldn't be a luxury. It should be a right. Ever wondered how much information is publicly available about you online? Prepare to be horrified. Websites like FamilyTreeNow are a treasure trove, or should I say a data trove, of personal details. FamilyTreeNow is a genealogy website that lets users search for relatives and build family trees. Sounds innocent enough, right? Except it doesn't just stop at names and dates. This site goes deep, digging up home addresses, phone numbers, and even relatives' names. That's right, your great-aunt Mildred's maiden name, public knowledge, your childhood address, up for grabs, all without your consent or knowledge. It's enough to make you want to invest in a tinfoil hat. So what's the big deal? It's just genealogy, right? Wrong. This information in the wrong hands can be used for identity theft, stalking, and even harassment. Think about it. If a stranger knows your address, your phone number, and the names of your relatives, what's stopping them from impersonating you, contacting your family, or worse? We're not talking about harmless genealogy here, folks. This is about your safety. Imagine getting a call from someone claiming to be a long-lost relative. They know your address, your family history, all thanks to FamilyTreeNow. Except it's not your long-lost cousin. It's a scammer trying to exploit your good nature and your exposed data. And it's not just scammers you need to worry about. Identity thieves can use this information to open credit cards in your name, access your bank accounts, or even take out loans. It's like handing them the keys to your life on a silver platter. The bottom line, your data is valuable, and leaving it exposed on sites like FamilyTree Now is like leaving your front door wide open. Section 4. Taking Back Control, your step-by-step opt-out guide. The good news is, you don't have to be a tech whiz to remove your data from FamilyTreeNow. It's a bit like pulling teeth, but with our handy guide, you'll be data-free in no time. First, find yourself. Go to FamilyTreeNow.com and search for your name. Brace yourself, the results might be scary. Next, locate your record. Click on your name to view your profile. This is where it gets really creepy. Then it's opt-out time. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for a tiny, easily missable link that says privacy. Click it if you dare. Now jump through hoops. Follow the instructions to submit an opt-out request. They'll ask you to create an account because of course they will. Finally, play the waiting game. It can take up to 48 hours for your information to be removed. In the meantime, consider investing in a Faraday cage. Remember, opting out is just the first step. Data brokers are constantly updating their databases, so regular monitoring is key. Section 5. Clean Data, your data privacy guardian angel. Let's face it, constantly monitoring data brokers and submitting opt-out requests is about as fun as watching paint dry. That's where Clean Data comes in. We're not just a one-time fix, we're your long-term solution for online privacy. Clean Data scours the internet, identifying and removing your personal information from data brokers like FamilyTreeNow. Think of us as your own personal data shredder, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep your information safe. We offer a range of plans to fit your needs with features like continuous monitoring, automated opt-out requests, and even identity theft protection. Because your privacy is worth protecting 24/7. With Clean Data, you can finally breathe a sigh of relief, knowing that your data is in safe hands. We'll handle the dirty work, so you can focus on what really matters. Section 6. Reclaim your privacy, because you're worth fighting for. In a world where data is the new gold, it's easy to feel powerless, but you're not. You have the right to control your personal information and protect your privacy. Don't let data brokers like FamilyTreeNow profit from your personal life. Take control today. Opt out, stay vigilant, and consider using a service like Clean Data to safeguard your data for the long haul. Remember, privacy isn't just about hiding secrets, it's about protecting yourself. Because in the digital age, knowledge is power. And knowing how to protect your data is the ultimate power move. Take back your